What is happening on the 14th of July? Something about AI?
Correct. We are launching a boot camp specifically inside of Hustle University that will teach you how to use AI so that you can, one, make money, and two, perhaps be cool one day.
In today's video, I'm going to be joining The Real World by Andrew Tate. But more specifically, I'm going to join the new AI campus that he just added to The Real World. I will not be wasting any time in this video. I'm actually going to try my best to make some money from this course and share my results here with you today. Let's lay out the game plan of how I'm going to make money using Tate's new content creation / AI campus. I'm going to learn exactly how to leverage AI to automatically create content that I can post on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. The whole purpose of this campus is to use AI to make money with content creation. So with this plan in mind, let's go ahead and join The Real World. Before I join The Real World, I just wanted to make a quick announcement. I was able to get one of the students within the AI campus in The Real World to join me for a quick 30-second meeting. In this quick interview, they will share their personal experience, and I will ask them some questions about what mistakes to avoid, how much money you can make, etc. So make sure you stick around for that interview later on in this video. But anyways, I went onto The Real World website, filled out my personal information, and paid the first $49 payment to get access to The Real World. After getting inside The Real World, I then joined the content creation / AI campus. So let's take a look inside the AI campus and I'll show you exactly what awaits you if you were to join The Real World as a future student. So this is it right here. We're inside the AI campus in The Real World, and let's explore it by going into the courses section here. And these categories are all the videos where you will learn how to make money with artificial intelligence. So this is where they teach you how to use AI with video editing, how to make transitions, how to make the audio, etc. Basically, all these things can be used for generating content using AI. And this content that you generate can generate you money if you do it the right way, which is exactly what you will learn inside this AI / content creation campus. But anyways, let's go back to the content creation chat here, where you can also network and exchange valuable information with like-minded people, and you can also see what others are doing to find success. There's also the wins section, which you can find right here, where you can basically see content that was generated completely by AI, how it's performing, and how much money it's making. Lastly, you also have the ability to ask the professor of this course any questions that you have right here in the Ask Pope chat room, and you can see that there's a lot of students asking questions and getting support on their journey with AI. So that's basically everything you get that's included within the AI campus. Anyways, it's time to have that Zoom meeting that I told you about earlier, with one of the students that has experience within the AI campus. So let's go. Thanks for joining me on this quick call today. The first question I want to begin with is, how long have you been in the real world?
So I've been in the real world for about 6 months now, I believe.
Okay, so what made you join the real world in the first place?
I've been watching Andrew Tate's videos for a while now, and I really like what he has to say. And I believe that he's a very smart man, especially when it comes to business and making money online. And the real world is only like $49 a month, so it's not too risky anyways.
And what do you have to say about the new AI campus?
So I think I've been using the AI campus for about a week now, and in my honest opinion, it's one of the best campuses that the real world has come out with so far, because after everything I've learned from it, I've already gotten a lot of views and subscribers on YouTube using YouTube Shorts, and hopefully I'll get to monetize that soon enough that I can actually start making money off of it.
Can you give me any tips or what is the best way to go about making money with it?
Yeah, so I think the most important thing is to actually just use some great AI software to be able to easily automate the process of content creation, but at the same time create high quality content. So just do a lot of research of the best AI software to use for each aspect of the content creation. And as for making money, you can do it the same way that I'm doing it, which is going to be ad revenue from YouTube Shorts.
All right, bro. Thank you very much for joining me on this call today.
You're welcome. Anytime.
So that was quite an interesting call, and I now believe that I have a good idea of how to go about this. I'm going to try to go viral mainly with YouTube Shorts and make money that way. I'll first need an AI that can write a YouTube video script for me. ChatGPT is known for being able to provide high quality scripts, and I'm also familiar with how it works. I'll then have to find AI tools for the rest of the video creation process, which will include things we need like creating audio with text-to-speech. And this right here is the final script from ChatGPT, which I will soon turn into an actual audio file. So we now have our script from ChatGPT, and the next step is going to be getting audio out of that text. So I searched on Google the best AI for creating audio with text-to-speech, and I found this AI called Lovo AI, which I'm now going to paste my script into. Then I just need to click on select all, and then I'll click on generate. So it's now creating the audio that we can add to our short. And now the audio has been generated, so let's hear some of it to see if it sounds good.
First up, zero-based budgeting. Every dollar has a job allocate income to expenses until you hit zero.
That sounds good to me, so let's go ahead and save it first. Then click on export. and export again. And now I have the complete audio file for my very first YouTube short. There's no specific AI that I will tell you to use, but in my opinion, this one works great. Anyways, we now have our audio file. So let's move on to the next step, which is converting this audio file into an actual video that we will be able to post. I searched the best AI software for creating videos from voice recording, and I landed on this article, which then sent me to this AI software called Pictory. And it was a little bit more complicated to use than I thought, but I eventually ended up adding my MP3 file and I converted it into a 1-minute video. So here's a quick 15-second preview so you guys have an idea of what it looks like now.
Every dollar has a job allocate income to expenses until you hit zero. Next, the 50-30-20 rule. 50 needs, 30 wants, and 20 savings. Balance achieved. Use cash envelopes. Allocate cash to categories. When it's gone, it's gone.
So we now have our audio and visuals combined into one video. And the final step before uploading to YouTube is going to be adding captions to the video. So again, I searched up the best AI software for adding captions to videos. I landed on this software called Vid.io, and then I uploaded my video here. And I think the next step is to click on subtitles. I'm gonna go with auto transcribe, and then I'll just click on generate subtitles, and now we wait. Okay, so it looks like it generated the subtitles, so let's take a quick look here to see what they look like.
Every dollar has a job allocate income to expenses until you hit zero. Next, the 50-30-20 rule. 50 needs, 30 wants, and 20 savings. Balance achieved.
And it honestly looks great, so I'll just click on done and then I'll export it. So as you guys could see, that was the whole process of creating a video to upload to YouTube Shorts. So I went ahead and I created 2 more, which I will not bore you with. And now the only remaining thing to do is to upload the YouTube Shorts and wait for the results. So as you guys can see, I just posted the very first YouTube short that we made and I made it public. And I also uploaded the other 2, but I have those scheduled to be posted within the upcoming days. So I'm gonna give it about 2 days and then we will check the results for the first video. Alright guys, so it's about 2 days later, so let's not waste any time and go ahead and take a look at the analytics. So I'm back here on the YouTube studio and it seems like our first video only got 392 views, which honestly doesn't seem so bad for the very first YouTube short. We got 5 likes and 2 comments, but unfortunately we didn't get any new subscribers. However, I still have 2 more shorts that are scheduled to upload today and tomorrow. So if you guys want me to make another video where I give you an update on how many views and subscribers I got, make sure you let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video and got some value out of it, make sure you watch the next one that pops up somewhere on the screen.